Hi, welcome to Tech Grab channel. I'm Glory, and in today's video we are going to be making some lollipop holders using photo mat paper from Tech Grab and fancy laminate sheets. With anything else to say, let's get started. Here I am on Solo Studio. I am already have placed the size of my paper, that is A4, and turn on the registration marks. Now I'm going to add all the designs that I'm going to use for the lollipops. Now that I have all my designs ready, I'm going to send to print. Remember to always put on your printer the size of the paper that you're using, the type of paper, and the quality on high. Here I have all my designs already printed on my photo paper page. You can look the details, you can see the quality. They look beautiful. I will add some laminate to my photo paper. For this project, I'm going to use the glitter laminate. I turn the flash on so you can see the details on the glitter laminate, and look how dear. I'm going to cut the pieces that are touching the registration marks. Now let's place the laminate on top of the photo paper. Once we are done applying the laminate, we're going to send it to cut. For my cut settings, I'm going to use 34 force, 2 for speed, and 7 for the blade. And also, I'm going to do 3 passes. Now that I have finished cutting, I'm going to take out all the designs from the cutting mat. Now that we have all of our lollipop holders ready, here are the designs. We're going to place our lollipops on them. I'm going to be using some hot glue to paste the holders. And here we have the first one. You can also use double-sided tape if you want. And let's repeat the same steps with the other two. And here's the final result of our lollipop holders. Look how beautiful. This is perfect if you're going to do a Christmas party. If you liked today's project, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye!